What's up, you guys? How you doing? I hope you guys are doing good because I'm doing amazing. You guys, I just finished styling this wig and I love it so much. This wig is from Beauty Forever Hair and it is one of the easiest straight wigs I have ever worked with, okay? It's actually a straight wig. I curled it to look like this, but you can leave it straight, you can leave it center part, side part. It is a 7x5 closure, okay? Yes, this is a closure and I am wearing it completely glueless, okay? Can you guys see this? Yes, so I'm wearing this completely glueless and you can style it whichever way you want. It came as a center part, but I turned it to a side part and I love it. I also curled it and all of that, okay? By the way, guys, if you want to get this wig for yourself, I'm going to leave the link down in my description box. So just go ahead and go and click on it and check it out and get one for yourself if you want, okay? So this is the box, and inside the box you have the wig and you have some goodies. I actually like all these goodies that come with the wig. It's something exciting to look forward to. So this is the wig. It is a 7x5 closure. It is a straight wig. This wig is so soft, you guys. Oh my goodness. This wig is so soft. I like it. No wonder they said this is butter soft, and now I get it. It's actually a very soft wig, and it came pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-plucked. It is the bye-bye knots. It has been bleached, okay, so pre-bleached, everything. This is an easy wig, and this is a 7x5 closure, not a frontal. And this is the wig cap. So it has this stretchy wig cap. So it also has this notch for extra elastic band, so that if you want to make the wig snug to your head, you can go ahead and do it. This is the extra elastic band. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it, but I'll see. Then it also has a comb here to secure it to your head, and the adjustable strap that comes with most wig caps. Yeah, the wig is quite long. This should be about 26 or 24 inches. But yeah, let me just go ahead and put it on my head. I need to stop touching this. You guys, just take a look at this hairline, take a look at the pattern, and take a look at the hairline. And mind you, I haven't even used any hot comb or any wax stick to make the hair lay flat. The hair is just laying flat on its own. Look at how flat that lay is. Like literally, in person, this wig looks like I did a sewing, okay? Because obviously my hair is not this long and not this silky, right? But it looks like I did a sewing. It looks like I literally just brought out my own hair in front and slicked it down. And the fact that, I don't have so many baby hairs and stuff around makes it look even more realistic. Like, what? I love this. Let me come closer so that you guys will see what I'm talking about, okay? Can you tell that this is a wig, and this wig is glueless? You guys, I'm going to leave a link to this wig in the description box, okay? And all the details about it is from Beauty Forever Hair, and this wig is actually top notch. Especially the texture is very soft. It's a very soft hair. So if you want to make like a very sleek ponytail that will look, let me just show you guys. I'm still going to style this hair. I'm just showing you some of these features, right? Let's say you want to make a very sleek ponytail. Mind you, I don't even have cornrows on that. I actually have twists. I just try to wear a wig cap and all of that. But if you want to make a very sleek ponytail, this would be the perfect wig for that, because the wig is very soft and very sleek. I haven't even used any iron or wax stick or anything on it. Alright guys, so this is the first hairstyle, just the regular center pattern that the wig came as, okay? And this wig is one of the easiest wigs I've had to work with. Blending the lace and getting the lace to fit snugly was not a problem at all. And because the hair is very soft, it was easy to straighten it, okay? So this is the first hairstyle, the center part. Let me show you guys what it looks like. I like it. This is pretty. That's the first wear and go hairstyle. If you want to just bring it out of the box and wear it to wherever you want to wear it to, that's the first hairstyle. But I want to open it up at the side and make it a side part. So I want to come down here. So to make this a side part, you definitely need your hot comb and your wax stick, okay? I say wax stick. So you definitely need your hot comb and your wax stick to change the pattern, because it was styled as a center part like I said, but you can always change the pattern. So let me just Alright guys, I am done styling this wig. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I just gave it some waves, okay, and it looks very good. It looks very nice. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Yeah, I love how it looks. So if you want to get this wig, just check my description box for the link to get this wig, okay? So just click on the link and, you know, choose the wig and all of that, okay? And also all the details about this wig are going to be in the description box as well. So if you want to know like the density and all of that, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.